Welcome back, and thanks so much for joining us on your Thursday. We are looking at some very calm and clear conditions outside. You can see right behind me looking at our America's Mattress live tower camera into the Grand Valley this morning. But with those very calm and clear conditions also come some very chilly temperatures to start your morning out. Right now we're into the 40s and 30s with 43 degrees into Grand Junction, 36 degrees into Montrose. Also, our higher elevations this morning are starting out very cold as well, into the 20s right now, 20 degrees into Gunnison. But believe it or not, we are looking at very cold temperatures around most of the state this morning. In fact, check out most of our state. We're into the 40s onto the eastern side, right around the Front Range region. You can say 48 in Denver, 45 degrees in Colorado Springs. But for most of us in western Colorado and into the higher elevations, we're a little bit cooler than that to start the morning out. In fact, we have lots of cold-related weather watches in effect right now. We have a frost advisory for the northeastern quarter of the state out into the plains as well. And we have freeze warnings not only for our area to start this morning out, but also down into the San Luis Valley and into the Four Corners for this morning. In fact, those freeze warnings are going to be over in a little while. Our freeze warning for Delta County and Montrose County, that's going to go until 9 a.m. We also have some freeze warnings in effect up the I-70 corridor into Glenwood Springs and also for the northwestern corner of the state. But we're going to transition into a different weather pattern as of tomorrow because we have a fire weather watch in effect for the tan that you see there. That is going to go for tomorrow because we're going to see a little bit of a change in weather patterns as of the next couple of days. Here's what's going to happen. We started out this morning very chilly because we had a cold front sweep through the state as of yesterday. It is now going towards the south and the east, now into the Texas Panhandle for this morning. But we're going to have a high pressure system come on in, and with it, it's also going to start bringing some warmer temperatures with it, mostly from the desert southwest. We'll start to pick up on all of that heat from the southwestern corner of the United States. We're then going to see warm temperatures, in fact, above average for the next 2 days because of this high pressure system. And even with those warmer temperatures for tomorrow, ahead of another cold front that will be coming in from Utah, we will see some very windy conditions for your Friday. So we will see warm, dry, and windy. So that is the reason we have a fire weather watch ahead of some windy conditions for your Friday. But then we're all going to calm down into Friday evening with those winds, and we'll actually start to move those warmer temperatures out of the state. Another cold front will sweep on through, and we'll see some cooler temperatures for your weekend, and we're going to be just a little bit below average into the lower 70s for your weekend. Very good leaf watching weather, especially if you're headed up into the higher elevations for this weekend. But we will be staying warm, in fact, a little bit above average for today. Take a look at your afternoon highs. We'll be into the 80s and even some upper 70s for today. 81 for Grand Junction, 78 degrees for Montrose, and we'll look at very sunny conditions through most of the western slope region, even into the higher elevations, and we will stay in the 70s for you today. We're going to be staying above average into those 80-degree temperatures for 2 days. Here's a look at our 7-day forecast. 81 for today, 80 for tomorrow. Mostly sunny skies. We'll keep those sunny skies on the board, but that cold front will sweep on through, and we will be down into the lower 70s for your weekend. For Montrose, high of 78 for today and 77 for tomorrow. Thanks so much for joining us this morning. We'll be right back.